Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode of series Evolution of Dentistry with me, Dr. Mansi Mooj. Pain is the first word that comes to everyone's mind when they hear the word dentistry. Even with the invent of local anesthesia, most of the patients say, "Sui to lagegi na, dard to hoga." So let me debunk this for you, how in modern times local anesthesia or injections have become painless for everyone. So first is topical anesthesia. It's in the form of jellies or spray that we apply on the surface of the gums which make the surface numb. After which, when the injection is put, the patient hardly feels the prick. Secondly, instead of using plastic injections with those thick needles, we have cartridges which uses much finer needles, so when injected, they hardly hurt. Thirdly, there is something called as dental vibe, which uses vibration and a flexible tip which makes the whole process very comfortable for the patient. And then there is something called as wand, which is a computer assisted injection that makes the whole process a cakewalk for the patient. Other than this, there are many other techniques with which the process is very comfortable for the patient. Last and the most important is human touch. It is the skill of your dentist in relieving your anxiety, giving the right pressure at the time of giving injection, and distracting your mind so that you don't know what exactly is happening. So, if you want this comfortable experience, do visit us at Hope Dental and Aesthetic Clinic, Noida, now in Sector 75 and 122.